Let's solve question number 14, guys. So what we have, the major product obtained from the following reaction is, okay, so we have a very big structure over here reacting with Hg2 plus H plus and H2O, and they're expecting us to write the product. Okay, what type of reaction is it? It is an electrophilic addition reaction, right? So where will the initial attack of H plus take place? We have to identify that. Okay, so if we are talking about these two carbons, let us mark these carbons as carbon 1 and carbon 2. Yes, so where will the initial attack take place? The initial attack will take place on the second carbon, because here the possibility of this carbon carrying a positive charge is more, because the lone pair over here will stabilize that carbon which is carrying a positive charge, whereas this nitrogen, that is NO2 group, will do what? Will pull the electrons away. So the chance of electrophilic addition will be first on second carbon, and then H2O will attack on what? Will attack on the first carbon. Okay, so let us look at the structure, guys. So what we'll have, NO2 attach the benzene ring, followed by CH, double bond, C, and here H2O will attack, and then you will remove a H plus, so we'll get a OH, and we'll get a OCH3. The thing with this compound is what? This is an enol. Now, enols are usually unstable. So this enol will tautomerize. And will give you a C double bond O, right? So this is your final product, guys. This is your final product. Let us see it matches with which option. Okay, so option 1, no, because we are getting a double bond over here. Option 2, we are getting a double bond, but this is a OH, so option 2 is also not the answer. Okay, let us look at option 3. We are getting a double bond O, but this is getting converted to OH, so that is also not the answer. Option 4, guys, yes, is it matching with the answer? Yes, so the answer is option 4. Okay, I hope you have understood this. Yes, let us move on to the next question, guys. The correct statement with respect to dinitrogen. Okay, let us read each and every statement very carefully. N2 is paramagnetic in nature. No, N2 is not paramagnetic in nature, guys. N2 is diamagnetic in nature, right? So the first option is not correct. It can be used as an inert diluent for reactive chemicals. Let us keep the second option on hold. Let us look at the third and the fourth. It can combine with dioxygen at 25 degrees Celsius. It cannot combine because nitrogen is what? Nitrogen is inert. So the third option is also wrong. Liquid dinitrogen is not used in cryosurgery. Liquid dinitrogen is used in cryosurgery, guys. Okay, so the fourth option is also wrong. So we are left with only one option, that is the second one. Okay, sir, why are you saying the second option? Because nitrogen is inert. It has a very high bond enthalpy. Nitrogen is inert. That's why it can be used as an inert diluent for reactive chemicals. Okay, very simple, guys. Let us move on to question number 16. Consider the following reaction: A giving you P1, B giving you P2, C giving you P3, D giving you P4. Okay, the order of the above reactions are A, B, C, D respectively. The following graph is obtained when log of rate versus log of concentration are plotted. So this is the graph that we are getting, guys. Okay, so let us solve this question here itself. So what is rate? Rate is equal to K into concentration raised to N. I take log on both the sides. If I take log on both the sides, what will I get? So this will be log of rate is equal to N log A plus what? Plus log of K. So this is of the form y is equal to mx plus c. Yes, where n is the slope. Where n is the slope, right? Now, if n is the slope, so what line do you think has the maximum slope, guys? If this one, that is this reaction where d is getting converted, that line has the maximum slope. So the order of this reaction should be maximum, and that of this should have maximum order, and that of C should be minimum. So let us see if it is matching with the options. Yes, there is option 1 as well as option 2, which is very close to whatever we have done. So now we'll have to compare what? We'll have to compare B and A. So between B and A, which one has a higher slope, guys? B has a higher slope than A. If B is having higher slope, then the answer is option 1. Okay. So I hope this is very clear to all of you. Let us move on to question number 17.